So we're going to see the radius of convergence for this and possibly test some endpoints if they come out. So we have a power series here. The first thing we're going to want to do is the ratio test to see for what values it's convergent. So remember, that was limit k goes to infinity, a of k plus 1 over a of k in absolute values, right? And so that is this thing with k plus 1s. So x plus 4 to the k plus 1 over k plus 1 plus 4 would be k plus 5 altogether. This 7k plus 7 after distribution when k plus 1 goes in there. And now instead of this whole thing over something else, we'll just do keep change flip and just do the flip of ak. So it'll be k plus 4 to the 7k over x plus 4 to the k. All right, I'm going to take it over here. Limit as k goes to infinity, right? This here, we can split with the powers. So we'll do x plus 4 to the k times x plus 4 to the 1, which we can leave as such. We'll leave the bottom as k plus 5 to the 7k plus 7. And then we'll multiply that by what we had before. So that's x plus 4 to the k in the bottom. And then k plus 4 to the 7k in the top. Now, we know this and this cancel. So you can go ahead and rewrite this. Now notice we have limits k going to infinity. Anything that's not k can come out. So it's an absolute value, so we'll pull out absolute value x plus 4. And now we'll have our k's in here, which will be this thing. And then the bottom, k plus 5 to the 7k plus 7. Now what I've made here for us is the graph of this. I've made it in advance, so we can look at it, and as it goes to infinity, we see it goes towards the x-axis. So this whole thing will approach to 0. And remember that in order for the ratio test to show the convergence stuff, we want everything that pops out to be less than 1. So therefore, we have x plus 4 absolute value times 0 from this thing. We want that to be less than 1. For the x's that this occurs is every x. So the radius of convergence will be all x's. So our radius turns out to be infinite, actually. So we don't have endpoints, we have infinite radius, and that is it.